Hi, good morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss the special and unique property of three-digit number which is considered as Coppercar's constant 495. Friends, we are very fortunate enough to be born in India where it has produced stalwart mathematicians like Ramanujam, Shakuntala Devi, Coppercar, etc. Even fathers have described these people as human computers. So, before proceeding to discuss about the importance of Coppercar's constant 495, let us briefly discuss about the importance of three-digit numbers. Friends, we are having infinite numbers in mathematics. Out of all those numbers, only three-digit numbers have got very peculiar, special, interesting and unique properties. Friends, I have already loaded a couple of videos on three-digit numbers signifying the importance of three-digit numbers. Friends, before proceeding further, let us briefly recapitulate about the importance of three-digit numbers. Out of all the three-digit numbers which are present, there are 6 three-digit numbers, very peculiar, special and unique property which will give properties in addition to 495 of Coppercar's constant. So those 6 digits are magic, called as magic numbers. I have already loaded a video on that. Please kindly see, go through that one. See, those magic numbers are 370, 407, 481, 518, 592 and 629. Friends, these are called by magic numbers because no other three-digit number will exhibit such a unique property as these numbers. What is the peculiarity you see? Suppose if you take 370, this number, and we are having 370 three digits. Using 3 digits, we can write 6 numbers: 370, 307, 730, 703, 037 and 073. Suppose if you add all these numbers, we will get some total 2220 will get, and if we are getting 6 numbers, so if you divided that total by 6, again we will get the same number. So no other three-digit number except these 6 numbers will have the same property. Suppose if you take a 592 and write all the combinations of 5, 9 and 2 and total it and divide it by 6, again you will get the same number. Even Coppercar's constant, which is considered as another magic number, it cannot give that property. That has got another unique property, which that property, these the digits cannot satisfy that property. Let us discuss those things. Even one common property is, even these magic, of course, these are also a part of three-digit numbers. So these magic numbers, if you follow the procedure of Coppercar, they will end with 495. Of course, I have also suggested another method, which will also give alternate method I have suggested. With that method also, all the three-digit numbers will give 495, Coppercar's constant. Of course, the only condition that all the 3 digits must be different. So let us proceed with the discussion of this by giving examples. Friends, let us take up some 3-digit number 486. According to Copernicus method, using 3 digits, first we have to write the highest number. Highest number is 3864. And write the lowest number 468. Find out the difference. Again, using this difference, write highest and lowest number. To continue that process, at one time we will reach 495. Even if you continue 495, again we will end it with 495. So I have suggested another alternative method in which this is the original number. Now I will reverse the digits. 684 I have written, and this is the as it is I have written, and I have carried out the process. Again, whatever number it has come, again I have written it in the reverse order. Whichever number is higher, from the higher number I have subtracted the lower number. I have continued that. Finally, I have also achieved 495. Friends, I have written some multiplication of numbers with 495. See, here 495 into 1 is 495, and if you add all these digits in that product, it is giving 18. Similarly, 495 into 9, again it has given 4455, and if you add all the digits, it is coming 18. Similarly, 495 it is multiplied by 86, it is given 42570. If you add all the digits, it is giving 18. Like that, see this number 495. If it is multiplied by 367, it is giving 181665. So if you add all these things, we are getting 27. Again, see here, see this one number. It is giving 36. So 36, and again 27, 45. So from this, what you can conclude, because if you multiply 495 with any digit, and whatever product comes, if you add all the digits in that product, either it will give 18, 27, 36, 45. Here also we have got 45. What it means, all these sums, what they are representing, they are multiples of 9. So simple thing is, we are so multiples of 9, and another peculiar property is, all these whatever answers we have got, these can be divided completely with 9. Any number you take, this number will be divided. It can be divided by 9. So anything 768. This also can be divided by 9. This product, this also can be divided by 9. That is, whatever we are seeing. And moreover, another important thing is, see, 18. 18 is, can be 1 plus 8, 9. And 27, 2 plus 7, 9. 36, 3 plus 6, 9. 45, 4 plus 5, 9. So this is, suppose if you take the digital sum of the product answer, so everything will end. We have got 18, so we should not stop it there. Suppose if we again add 1 and 8, it will give 9. Here also 27. So 2 plus 7, 9, 36. So this, if you add the answer of the product, it means digital sum, always it will become 9. It means that number will be divided by 9. Suppose if you want to check any number whether it can be divided by any digit or not. So whatever number you give, it is given, so add all these digits and see whether it is multiple or it can be divided either directly or multiple of that one. Suppose if somebody will give me some number, you tell me this is easy method which is helpful for people who are appearing for various competitive exams. In that examination they will ask, see, they will give some number, please tell us whether this number is divided by 4 or not. Suppose add all these digits. Suppose if you get multiples of 4 or 4, then it's alright. It can be easily divided by 4. Otherwise, if it does not match, then you can say, simply you can say that it cannot be divided by 4. So this is known as a digital sum. Whatever, if suppose any product, whatever numbers are there, if you add all those numbers and finally come to single digit, 45 means we should not leave it like that. Again you have to add 4 and 5. It is giving 9. Even 45 also it can be divided by 9. We have to finally know which number is a correct divisor. So we have to find out that one. So this 495 is having that peculiar property. Either that magic numbers which I have told, they are not satisfying these conditions. Suppose if you multiply 307 with any other number, so those things are not, those magic numbers are not satisfied. Only for 495. That is why this is having unique property. Friends, if you like this video, please kindly subscribe. Thank you. Thank you all.